Hello mga guys! This is me, Ate Nari Kim. New day, new phone. So, ang ganda ng offer na to. Malapit na itong maubos guys. Yung mga kabayan nating naka-line SIM dyan. This is Samsung Wide 8. Napakaganda po niya. Ito yung black. Tingnan nyo naman. This one is peach. And this one is apple green. Zero down payment po ito for same number. Ang monthly lang na is only 30,000 won. Tapos after 7 months, ang penalty lang po niya ay 70,000 won. Tapos may freebies ka, iyan, or either this one. You have a choices. Ayan, gora na kayo. Sayang ang offer for this month. Baka maubos na po ito dahil nagkakagulo sila dahil sa away 8 na po. We have wide 7, wide 8, and A16. So, gora! See you! Maraming thank you! Location natin, Anson Station po, malapit po sa may subway. Don't forget!